All cut up. Let's do the little test here. Here's a piece here. Look at that. No sag. No sag. Awesome pizza. Perfect. You'll love it. Check on the coals here. Got them in the fire pit. We're gonna do it in the fire pit today just cause. And those look pretty ready to me. So I'll get these laid out. We got a 14-inch Dutch oven. I'm gonna use 40 of those, and then 40 of them in total to get the temperature I kind of want to cook this pizza. So we'll be back here. I'm gonna get ready to put this on there. Okay, so I got 14 on the bottom here, so we're gonna take and put this 16 or 14-inch Dutch oven on here, and then we'll load the top up. With 26. Okay, I got 14 on the bottom, 26 on the top. That's about a 450 degree oven. Maybe a little less than that, but I dumped the remainder of the coals I had in that chimney over into this little baby barbecue here, and I'll close the lid on that, and that helps to hold the coals over when I need to add some more over here. Okay, we're going to be doing a pizza in the Dutch oven, and we're going to be using some homemade Canadian bacon here, hedgehog mushrooms that we foraged, pizza blend, cheese, and then some pepperoni on there with it, and we've got some sliced olives, some pepperoncini, and some red onion, and then some homemade tomato sauce. We'll put that on there first. So we'll see you when I get back here. Okay, it's time to build this pizza. That Dutch oven's heating up out there, so let's get on the stick here and get this pizza ready to go in it. So we'll start with the sauce, just like normal. Okay, here we got a 14-inch pizza. Put all the toppings on there, and then the cheese went down first. Actually, the sauce, the cheese, then the fixins. Then I top it with cheese again to help hold everything on here. So then I sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese over the top. That makes it really tasty. So we'll go take and stick this in the Dutch oven down here in the fire pit. It's time to go get the pizza. Bring it back down here. I'm gonna walk back up here and get that son of a gun. Okay, we're back. We're gonna take this lid off of here. Try my new lid lifter here. Set that baby right there. Got a nice hot oven going here. And I'll take this guy. I'm gonna set that right there. And it takes two of us to get this pizza in here. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Ready.
Watch out, that handle's hot. Perfect.
That looks good.
Come on. Yeah, there we go. It's just all hot, so it's all. Okay, we'll check that in a little bit. We'll take and turn the lid and turn the Dutch oven in probably about 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to turn this lid here. Turn the lid clockwise. A quarter of a turn. And I'll go the opposite direction with the Dutch oven. One. About a quarter of a turn. Then we'll check it here in a little bit. Okay, so I prop something up underneath the lid here to let some of that moisture escape, because that Dutch oven keeps all the moisture in. So with the mushrooms in there and stuff like that, it's going to be a little moist in there. So that'll help dry it out a little bit. So that's just a tip. And then also, every once in a while, give your coals a little tap here. That ash acts like an insulator, so you kind of start losing heat if you don't do that. So there we go. All right, we're going to turn this top again. Another quarter turn. Close enough. I put more coals on the top here. They were fading fast. I got to keep that going up top there to cook the top here. We're going to just kind of peek at this. We're getting there. A lot of moisture in there still, so we're going to take and raise that lid up a little bit, let some of that moisture out. Okay, we got the pizza in the house here. Slide it off this cooling rack here. Slide it off the parchment paper. That over there. Let's take a look at the bottom. Oh yeah, look at that bottom. Looks pretty good. All right, well, we'll cut this up in halves. Okay, we got it all cut up. Let's do the little test here. There's a piece here. Look at that. No sag. No sag. Awesome pizza. Perfect.